Good morning students, welcome back to MSc online class 4th. Today we will do revision of lesson 5. So pay attention here. The topic name is A Lamp to All. First we will do let us remember the day without doing something good to your neighbor will not be counted in the book of eternity. Who said this? Saint Chavra. The day without doing something good to your neighbor will not counted in the book of eternity. Who said this? It is said by Saint Chavra. Second is, our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. It is said by Dalai Lama. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Who said this? It is said by Dalai Lama. Students, these two you write in your copies properly 2 times. Now question answers part. First one is, write down any 3 qualities of a student who is your role model. Write down any 3 qualities of a student who is your role model. Obedient, disciplined, and punctual. Say after me, obedient, disciplined, and punctual. Student should be obedient, disciplined, and punctual. Second is, why did Sanal bring 2 lunch packets every day? Why did Sanal bring 2 lunch packets every day? Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day to offer to the old man. Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day to offer to the old man. Third is, write 3 good qualities you find in Sanal. Write 3 good qualities you find in Sanal. He is very friendly, kind, and helping. Friendly, kind, and helping. Friendly, kind, and helping. Students, these 3 questions you do in your revision copy. No need to write in revision, you can write in your classwork copies. Put on the top revision work, and you have to write 2 times in a good handwriting. Now students, let us discuss this. What will you do in the following situations? You have 4 situations here. First one is, you find a purse on the road. What will you do? You will try to find out the address or search the address of that person, or you go to the police station. Second, a beggar comes to your house and he is very hungry and asks for food. In this situation, I will offer food to him or her. In this situation, I will offer food to him. Third, you meet your teacher on the way. That time, what will you do? In this situation, first I will wish to my teacher. First, in this situation, I will wish to my teacher. Now, fourth one, after supper means after dinner, your mother is busy washing plates. The dining table is not cleared. What will you do in this situation? In this situation, you should clean the table, na? You should help your mother, na? So, do these questions in your copies 2 times and write revision work on the top. Now let us match Hands, to do good. Legs, to walk around doing good to others. Eyes, to see the good in others. Tongue, to speak good. Fifth, heart, to love. Once again, say after me. Hands, to do good. Legs, to walk around doing good to others. Eyes, to see the good in others. Tongue, to speak good. Heart, to love. This matching also you do in your copies 2 times. Now let us pray. O God, help us to grow in wisdom and in age and in favor with God and man. Students, join your hand and say after me. O God, help us to grow in wisdom and in age and in favor with God and men. Now this one also you do in your copies. Let us reflect. The greatest gift you can give to someone is your time, your love, your attention, and your concern. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.